Hello dear students, here we are going to learn integrated circuit, construction of integrated circuit and how to use circuit practically and how we can connect IC with wiring. That is going to explain in this lecture. IC means integrated circuit. Here we are going to learn uh, every gate IC and how we can connect using IC of gate. That will be going to explain by me over here. First of all, each and every ICs. Here IC have total 14 legs and we are starting from this curve angle. Left side of curve, that is called pin number 1. Next one pin number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then other side 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That is last pin. And pin number 7, that is called ground, and pin number 14, that is called VCC. It means we are going to provide plus 0 voltage over here and plus 5 VCC voltage over here for active IC. Now pin number 1, here we are going to perform NOT gate operation. NOT means it have one lead input and one lead output. NOT gate IC, or we can say invert gate IC. The name of that IC is 7404 and pin number 1, that is useful for give input, and from pin number 2 we are taking output. Same way in this IC there are number of different 6 gates available. So pin number 1 input, 2 output, same way 3 input, 4 output, 5 input, 6 output. Other side 9 number input, 8 number output. Same way 11 number input, 10 number output. This IC is working as a NOT gate IC. So one input, example we are giving input over here, that is 0. So output will be 1. If you are providing input equal to 1, then output will be 0. This is the working of NOT gate IC. Now next AND gate IC. AND gate IC number is IC 7408 and we can say it is 2 input IC or 2 input gate IC. Same way from the curve side, left side, that is pin number 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 7, and other side 8, 9, 10 up to 14. So total 14 pin are there. So first one and second one pin both are working as an input pin. Then output will be take over third number pin. Same way 4, 5 as a working input pin and 6 number, that is output pin. Same way 9, 10 are input pin and 8 number, that is output pin. 12, 13 input pin and 11 number is output pin. Same way 7 number is ground and 14 number, that is plus 5 voltage. For active IC we need to provide 0 voltage and plus 5 voltage. Now next IC, okay, and IC, that is working on equation AB A dot B equal to output. Example X is output and AB is input, so A dot B equal to X. That is a product equation. On the product basis equation, these IC is working. Here different 4 gates are there. Now next, that is OR gate IC and name of that IC is 7432. Same way all pin construction are same. In OR gate IC it is same like AND gate IC, only 1, 2 pin is input and 3 is output. Same way 4, 5 input and 6 is output. 9, 10 input, 8 output. 12, 13 input and 11 number output. Only equation is changed over here. AND gate IC, that is working on base of product Now it is working on base of summation. So example 0 0 input, output will be 0. 0 1 input, so 0 plus 1, output will be 1. 1 plus 0, output will be 1. 1 dot 1 plus 1, output will be 1. So it is called construction of OR gate IC. Same way 14 number pin plus 5 VCC and last 7 number pin, that is 0 voltage. It is called ground. Now next, that is NAND gate IC. IC number is 7400. It is also 2 pin input IC, or you can say 2 pin input NAND gate IC. So 1 2 input here with bubble and gate, and third is output. So input equal to 0 0, 0.0, output will be 0. It is converted into 1, so output will be 1. 1.0, output will be 0. It is converted into 1. First time 0 0, whenever 0 input is there, so output will be converted into 1. And last input, that is 1 1, it is output 1, it is converted into 0. So it is one kind, we can say it is same working like same way 4 number 4 5 0 0 input, 1 output, 0 1 input, 1 output, 1 0 input, 1 output, 1 1 input, 0 output. 7 number once again ground, and 40 number pin, that is plus 5 VCC. Now next pin, next IC, that is 2 input NOR gate IC. Construction of NOR gate IC, that is opposite compared to all other ICs. Example, this IC, construction of this IC is 1 2 input and 3 output. Now in NOR gate, 2 3 input and 1 pin is output. Same way 5 6 input and 4 is output. Same way 9 8 input and 10 is output. 11 12 input and 13 is output. So construction of this NOR gate IC is opposite compared to all above 3 ICs. And name of this IC is 7402, 2 input NOR gate IC 7402. And same way naming of legs, that is common, or pin. You can say pin or leg of IC or pin of IC, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 number is ground. Once again 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14 is plus 5 VCC. We are counting it from curve side. And NOR gate, that is, we can say 0 0 input, 0 plus 0, output will be 0 converted into 1. Now 1 plus 0, output will be 1 converted into 0. Only whenever input is 0 0, at that time output will be high, or the remaining time output will be 0. Now next, that is XOR gate IC. XOR gate IC, same way construction of XOR gate, that is same like NOR gate IC. NOR gate IC, 1 number is output, 2 3 is input, 4 number is output, 5 6 is input, 10 number output, and 8 9 is input. Once again 11 12 output, input, and 13 pin number is output. So that is a construction of XOR gate. Same way we can give input on pin number 2 3 and it will going to generate output on pin number 1. Once again 14 number pin, that is 14 number pin is plus 5 VCC, and 7 number pin is once again ground. It is designing of this IC is same like 7402, and working of This is you're providing input for XOR gate, input from 2 3, output on now. Same way, next IC, that is NAND gate IC. NAND gate IC input equal to, now here we're going to learn 3 pin IC. So construction is different. 1 2 number pin input and 13 number pin input and 12 number pin output. Same way, 4 5 and 3, that is input pin, and 6 number is output pin. Same way, 9 10 11 number is input pin and output pin is 8 number. 14 number plus 5 VCC and ground, that is 7 number pin. Now working of XOR gate, we can say both input equal to 0. At that time output will be 0 and both input will be 1, then output will be 0. It means same input is there, at that time output will be 0, otherwise output will be 1. Now last one, that is 4 input NAND gate. If you are working with 3 input NAND gate, IC number 7410, so at that time only 3 gates are there in one IC. Now if you are working with 4 input NAND gate, then only 2 gates are there. 2 gates, 1 2 3 4 pin numbers 1 2 4 5. These are the input pin and 6 number is output pin. Same way, 13, 12, 10 and 9. These are the input pin and 8 will be output pin. Here only 2 gates are there which are going to perform output. So these all are ICs which are going to useful for connect into the circuit design. These are the basic ICs. And 4 input gate IC, that is 7420, and construction of all are 14 pin IC, in which common is that all pin have pin number 14, that is plus 5 voltage, and pin number 7, that is ground. So these 2 points are common for each and every IC have 14 legs or 14 pins. We can consider it leg or we can consider it as a pin, and we can mount it over breadboard or over PCB. Then we can fetch or connect from 7 number pin, that is for ground, and 14 number pin for plus 5 voltage, and we can take wiring with pin number 1 for provide input and connect 2 number for generate output. We can connect LED over here for get output, that output is high or low. If LED is glow, then we can say output is high. If LED is not glow, then output will be low. Same way, provide input for 1 and 2 and providing values 0 and 1, 1 and 0, etc. And according to that, pin number 3 is connected with LED. If it is glow, then we can say output is high. If it is not glow, then output is low. Same way for XOR gate, provide input to 1 and 2 pin and provide get output from 3 number pin. If it is high, then we can say it is LED is glow, otherwise LED will be not glow. So these are the basic construction of all the ICs. Okay, thank you.